Hey, so we're expecting to have a winter storm, and it's supposed to hit my city and where I live. I'm not gonna say the exact location, so I'm just doing it for safety reasons. So we're expecting a winter storm, and we're supposed to have snow up to possible 14 or higher inches, and I don't know if we ever had that. But we had 6 to 8, so I have a feeling this is gonna be a historic winter storm. But we did end up getting snow 2 days ago, which wasn't a lot, just a little bit. But this is not gonna be good. This is gonna be really bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some groceries, cause we don't know if we're gonna be stuck in our houses or what's gonna happen, cause this never happened before. So this is what I'll just say cabin fever. So I don't know what to title this video, so I'll come up with the name on it later. So whatever you see is the title of the video. So I'm just kind of gonna be vlogging my weekend. So I'll see you when I shop. By the way, it's Black Friday, so when posting it is Black Friday, so I would get early Christmas shopping done, but with all this rush and stuff, and with the weather, it would be kind of stressful. So I think it's better to do it on a day that's not too bad, on a day we're not having any bad storms or not much of a rush, or where you see millions of people in a store or whatever. So yeah. And don't mind my voice sounding awful. I'm kind of starting to get over my cold. So I got sick about a week ago, but I still have this nasal congestion and cough, but I'm slowly getting better. So I've been sleeping a lot today. I didn't wake up until 1 p.m. and it's almost 2 now, so my throat hurts. Feels weird. Let's get my shoes on. So I'm gonna watch a weather channel to track the storm to see how bad it's gonna get. So also I'm gonna turn on the light really quick. Actually, I don't really have a good light right now because there's no light bulb and it burned out, so I'm using the lamp to get around. So yeah, I'm gonna charge up my Switch because I'm gonna be playing it later, and also I'm gonna be having 2 islands. I have 2 Switches, so I got Switch OLED and I got Switch 2. Right now I'm charging my Switch 2 because I want have 2 islands, 2 different ones. So I'm just unplugging my phone charger because I charge my phone at night before I go to bed. And now I'm going to charge up my Switch. Okay. This is not really going to be a fun vlog. It's going to be kind of boring, so just kind of want to update you on how I'm doing. On my journey. I guess. So yeah, alright. So sorry you couldn't see me for a second. I have a hand over the screen. It'll be out of the screen in a minute. Just kind of getting up here. Alright, now you can. My cat, Milo, he's just turned 12 years old last month, and he is getting so old, and, he had, like, a bump on his eye, and it's not on his eye, but, like, the skin near his eye, and turns out, okay, we took him to the vet, and turned out that he had, like, a cyst, so then we noticed that he walks slowly, and he has a hard time, like, grooming himself, like, with cleaning the back of him. And it turns out, when we found out, he has early stage of arthritis. So, it's like a progressing condition. So, on here I'll explain how he is during the years to come, because we don't know how it's going to progress. But overall, he's okay, but it's worrying. And this is like a new normal, so I hate when my pets get old. And also my dog, Dante, he turns 11 December 13th. So Milo, he just turned 12 October 1st. So I'll see you at the store. Just wanted to tell you how everything is. Yeah, as you can see here, my cat, you can tell he can't really groom himself. So he's getting older. But the funny thing is he can climb up his bed and stuff. So, he's able to do certain things. So, yeah. I'll explain to you about everything. And also, you can climb up the couch. But when you go downstairs, he kind of like pauses halfway. And then takes a few steps. Stops halfway. It's like that. So, yeah, I'm just gonna see you at the store. Just wanted to tell you how he is, and I wanted to show you my cat, Milo, here. So, he's my good boy, aren't you, boy? Yes. Good boy, Milo. Okay, so I'm just taking care of some clothes and stuff, but I'm gonna take care of it when I get home from the store. Just kind of in a hurry to leave, because it's like, by looking at the radar, it looks like it'll be here in about an hour, but I know it's supposed to be here around 5 p.m. And it's, oh yeah, it's 2 p.m. now, so we get a little bit. Sorry about my coughing, I'm just kind of getting over being sick. So we don't know how long we're gonna stay in the house, because there's some things going on, so I'm not gonna get into detail, but we're kind of busy with things. Actually, I'm done being busy, but my dad, he has some things to get done, so I'm just gonna connect my Switch to the TV out here and play some Animal Crossing. So I'm gonna turn off the sound, because that I don't want to get copyrighted, so yeah. Unfortunately, I won't show you what my island looks like until later. Right now, I'm just kind of like, before I had my island as a fall and Halloween theme, but I kept it until Thanksgiving. So since it's Black Friday now, I'm going to change it over to Christmas and New Year's. And also, I'm looking forward to the new update that's supposed to come out on January 15th. So I'm just like trying to get things done before that update. So, and I'm just kind of like taking like old Halloween stuff out of my island and then replacing them with like Christmassy things or whatever. I guess I can find a place on the chair so that way you can see me playing. It'll be kind of tricky to do that. So I'll find a place here. Alright, so I'm gonna find a place to place so you can see me when I'm doing my game. So Now I'm gonna head out and get some groceries. Okay, so I'm gonna show you outside. It'll show it better here. This is a calm before the storm, so the sky is clear. So it will get worse in about an hour or so. So yeah, we're heading to a grocery store to get some stuff before the worst comes. Just got home from the store. Now I'm just gonna put stuff away. Oh, just put these here. Okay. I need to decide what's for dinner. So I'm just gonna put things away. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with things. So, okay. God, it's freezing out there. Like, seriously cold. Cold weather is not fun. Right. I hope you guys are having like a good day or night or whatever it is for you. Crazy week for me. And having to deal with Thanksgiving was not fun at all. Because second one without my mom. So yeah, just a lot to put away. So I'm gonna put all the stuff away really quick. And then I'm gonna get back to gaming. So we had to take a few stops. Had to go to Walmart, go Quick Start, and then we go to some grocery store too. So had a lot to do. Okay, put these chips right here. I have it for like a late night snack because I get hungry a lot. And if you wonder why I'm talking a lot, because the TV is going off and I don't want to get copyrighted, so that's why I kind of talk a lot more. So put pizza right here. Oh, that's a big thing of pizza. All right. Okay, anything else here? Okay, some kind of craving. And see here, doggy food. Got some dog food for my dog, and he's a picky eater a lot. So just gotta deal with a lot of things. I apologize for being like so talkative, but I have nothing really to do about it because, well, I don't want to get in trouble with copyright. So, oh yeah, I forgot to bring you with me. So I'm just kind of getting things done. Got some dog food for my dog, and yeah. So right now I'm just gonna put this. This is my dog's bedtime snack. It's a grilled chicken, and we usually give him like chopped like chicken thing because he only like chicken kind of dog food. He doesn't like beef, and that's okay because we all have our preferences. So yeah. I usually don't talk a lot, so I'll apologize. And it's just like my mind's just racing right now, trying to get through the day and night if we can. So I'm gonna put this meat up in a freezer because I'm gonna have it. I don't know where to put it. Okay, I'm just gonna have to put it here because I don't know. Some breast tenderloins and pork chops for another day. For another night, yeah. So I got spaghetti meatballs, which they're okay. Not really like my favorite. So, yeah. Good grief. Can't reach that. Good. The cold gets to you. It's awful. Alright. Now I'm going to open this sheet.
I got a lot of string cheese like this because, like, well, we don't know how long we're gonna be out. We don't know how long we're gonna be stuck at home, so it's a lot going on. And my dog's like, I want some trees. You still got your breakfast to eat, boy. So he's just kind of being a picky eater for some reason, and he is like that quite often, which I don't blame him because I get picky sometimes too. It's part of life. We are all living beings that have that problem. So this video is going to be really long, and I apologize, but it is what it is. Oh man, I hate this. I hate when I can't end it. And this is a brand of string cheese I never had gotten before, and it's great value. I was trying to find like the other string cheese brand. I forget what it's called, but it's really good. Couldn't find it, so I'm just going for great value from Walmart. So, and I don't know why my dog doesn't like this food. Like, we give him the chicken pedigree. Actually, he likes chicken pedigree, but he's just like, oh, I don't want to eat it. Maybe he's just having one of those days, but actually he just really wants something different. So, I'm not really gonna get out of here, so. Almost done here. Just have a lot of cheese to take care of here, so. Yep. Now bring some cheese in here. Got a lot of food stocked up, so that's a good thing. There's my dog here. He's probably not gonna eat until I leave the kitchen. That's how it is. Alright. Okay. That's all. Everything's all good to go now. I'm gonna go back to my game. I didn't show the full screen because I don't want to show my area, so yeah. I'm just gonna get to the game right now, so I just got home, so yeah. Just gonna get gaming here.
I know hours have passed. I didn't feel much after this, so on Animal Crossing, I learned to do terraforming where I'm trying to remember what it's called, but it's like where you like, so you have like rivers and stuff, and then you use like some kind of thing and tear down the river, and then it turns it into like the ground or whatever. And I'm doing that to make my island look bigger because it looks smaller because so much water in that. So I know you don't want to do my island yet, but I did that. And I took everything Halloween and fall on my island, so I'm just getting started on doing like Christmas stuff on there. So shaking trees. What's the word for? Okay, my brain's not working today. I'm time traveling, and right now I'm currently on December 15, and I'm not on this current year. I'm way in the future of 2029. So I just kind of like working, getting things done. Once I get my island done, then I can just wait until after New Year's and then get started on getting things prepared for the new update. So, yeah. Right now, I just ate my dinner and I just kind of have a migraine. It's because I've been busy. I'm feeling nauseous because of a migraine. And it's probably about midnight now. And snow actually started not long ago. I haven't looked out the window, but my dad looked out the window about 7ish and he said it was snowing. Not really hard, but it's kind of like little fluffy snake. Little fluffy. Little fluffy flakes now and then. Oh, that's like a tongue twister. This is gonna be the end of it for tonight, so I'll see you the next day on how everything is. So I'm gonna be vlogging until Sunday, so it's Friday night now, so yeah. Hey, so I know it's been about 2 days since I posted, so last time when you seen that clip there, I was like just about to take a nap or something, and so yesterday I didn't really do much, just stayed home, and I've been playing Animal Crossing a lot, and I've been just trying to get my Christmas, New Year's island done before the new year, and it's gonna take me a while to do that. So I've been kind of binge playing for a while. So I'm just like trying to hurry everything up before the new update on January 15th. So it's gonna be exciting to see what happens. And I've been just kind of chilling and stuff. Just kind of like sitting here relaxing. There's not much to do, and earlier I heard that we got like 4 inches, but I don't know how much we got now. I hope it's not a lot. Let me ask my dad here really quick. Alright, so I just asked my dad and he said that we got like up to 8 inches, so that's like not good. I know that you're like, this is snow. Well, I'm not a big person into winter weather. Sorry, my dad's coughing in the background. So I'm just gonna get ready to hop in a shower because I was gonna do it last night, but I was just kind of like lazy. Like when there's like a winter storm or whatever, you just don't want to get up and do anything. You just kind of lay down and relax and chill. So right now I'm just gonna brush my hair and get showering here really quick. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it's 3 a.m. No, sorry, you can't see me. It's really late at night, so I've been playing with stuff. Animal Crossing. Let me see what's on my iPad says. 3:37 in the morning. So I'm probably gonna watch YouTube and go to bed. I have a headache, so I'm gonna try to go to bed. Also, I just took a shower earlier, so yeah, I forgot to update you on everything, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll see you again in the morning.